12 easy things I did to uplevel my skincare, and some more Mad Hippie just arrived on my 31st birthday, so let's do skincare and talk about this. Mad Hippie's new look is so cute. Love it. Number one, less is more when it comes to skincare. Minimal routine, maximal results. And that's one thing that I love about Mad Hippie is that they have high quality, all natural, well thought out ingredients, and then they leave out all the stuff that you don't need. And this is in glass. Number two, know what skin type you are. Number three, never miss evening cleansing. Number four, find a routine that you can stick with. 5, skincare is a necessary self-care. Treat it as one. 6, change your pillowcase at least once a week. 7, pat dry. 8, choose a mild pH balanced cleanser, just like this one. This is their old vitamin C serum look, and this is their new one. The actual serum is exactly the same. They just upgraded their look. 9, if it irritates your skin, it's not for you. That's something I love about Mad Hippie is that my sensitive skin 100% approves of it. 10, here's the order. Cleanse, tone, serums, moisturizers, sunscreen. 11, get yourself some hyaluronic acid. It's in the vitamin C serum, and I love it. 12, to hydrate, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture, try a peptide serum. And the Triple C night serum. You can just tell this is going to make your skin nice and dewy. Find Mad Hippie's new look at Ulta and on their website, madhippie.com.